For all the State Jural Assemblies Part 31 Mandatory Citizenship Requirements by Anna von Reitz. As we have learned and reviewed to this point, the American government is composed of three unions of three different kinds of states: soil, land, and inchoate federal states of states. The United States equals soil jurisdiction states and people, geographically defined, republican states, state republics and republics of states. The United States of America equals international land jurisdiction states and people, geographically defined, members are Ohio, Maine, Florida, et alia. The State Jural Assemblies create and operate and populate these geographically defined states of the Union and together constitute we, the people. The States of America equals global municipal jurisdiction states of states, not geographically defined, inchoate, legal fictions. Members are, the State of Ohio, the State of Maine, the State of Florida, et alia. These are not states in the same sense as land and soil jurisdiction states. They are commercial corporations operating in the global municipal jurisdiction of the air as states of states. The persons operating these states of states create state jural societies instead of state jural assemblies. The land and soil jurisdiction states require us to have a single citizenship and allegiance to them. They don't allow any form of dual citizenship and never have. The founders adhered to the principle that no man can serve two masters and did not allow conflicted people with conflicts of interest, such as loyalty to the king, to participate in state government. Thus, obviously, you do need to expatriate from any other citizenship if you want to participate in a state jural assembly. And if you want to continue to claim dual citizenship as a federal employee or dependent, you are welcome to set up a state jural society, and operate in that realm and continue to do the political party hokey pokey. America as a whole needs help from both sides of the fence, but there is a fence, and we need to be aware of it. The main fact to take in is that the actual geographically defined states don't allow any wishy-washy on this issue of citizenship requirements for participation in state jural assemblies, so anyone who doesn't want to expatriate from U.S. citizenship needs to set up and participate in a state jural society instead. Please note that for purposes of foreign travel, Americans are under the auspices of the United States of America, the unincorporated version, not the United States. Federal employees and dependents are under the auspices of the United States when they travel and are considered municipal citizens while abroad, subject to global municipal law. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more Anna von Reitz videos.